How to fix video generate is currently unavailable for a new account on Sora AI. Let's get started. This notification has left numerous users, especially those who upgraded to access the Sora video generation feature, feeling frustrated and disappointed. OpenAI has acknowledged that the surge in demand, particularly after introducing popular features like the image generator, has led to capacity challenges. CEO mentioned that users should expect delays, occasionally service disruptions, and slower performance as the company works to address these issues. But you can try out these solutions. First, you can wait and retry. Given the high demand and ongoing capacity adjustments, the video generation feature may become available for new accounts once the system stabilizes. Regularly checking back could eventually grant you access. Keep an eye on official OpenAI communications, such as the status page or community forums, for updates on feature availability and system improvements. If you have already subscribed or upgraded with the expectation of accessing video generation, consider reaching out to OpenAI support team for clarification on your account status and potential timelines. While waiting, you might explore other AI-driven video generation tools available in the market to meet your immediate needs. Remember, you are not alone in facing this issue. Many users have voiced similar concerns, and OpenAI is actively working to enhance capacity and feature accessibility. Make sure you are using a ChatGPT Pro account that includes Sora AI access. When it's available, look for the Sora AI or Video Generation tab within ChatGPT. The interface is typically user-friendly, offering a clear text input box and options to adjust video settings. Type in the narrative or storyboard for your video. Be as detailed or as abstract as you like. Sora AI is built to interpret your creative cues. So these are some fixes for video generate is currently unavailable for a new account on Sora AI. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.